Well, it's true. Shane McElrath, if you haven't seen today, has signed with Mad Parts Kawasaki, and it doesn't seem to be as mutual as it kind of seemed it would have been. He said, quote, obviously it's not ideal to switch teams mid-season. This year has been a challenge for me, but I was committed to maintaining integrity and finishing out the season with my best foot forward. That right there doesn't sound very good. That's not a, hey, everything was perfectly fun and happy. That sounds like something was wrong. He just was like, I'm gonna be the bigger man and finish out my contract. He continued to say, unfortunately, the team terminated my contract with 6 rounds left in the SMX series. It's not a mutual decision to part ways. However, with every challenge is a silver lining. I'm grateful for the friends I've made in the industry, and I am blessed that the Mad Parts Kawasaki team was able to pick me up for the remainder of this year. They didn't put any pressure on me to race quickly, but I have enjoyed my first 2 days on the bike, and I'm excited to line up on the Mad Parts Kawasaki KX450 this weekend. As of now, I don't have a contract signed for 2025, and I'm looking forward to finishing out the season strong with my new team. So that what seemed to me that he was going to be moving over there for next year, and just mutual decision. The team, decided, hey, we don't need you to stay, and you can start on the bike you're going to be racing next year. Works out for everybody. We're not paying you; they're paying you. Works fine. Well, it sounds like he was having either a really bad time, he didn't like the bike, which, it's Suzuki. There's not much new or, I don't know, competitive about it, let's put it that way. But it sounds like they just said, he didn't like it or something was wrong and they fired him, which, who knows? I mean, it's good for him to land on his feet and get a contract with another team with a good amount of races left. Obviously, he's like 13th in the points, something like that. So he's going to be in the SMX playoffs. So he gets all the outdoors, all the SMX, and if he can look well, maybe he gets a ride with them next year. But doesn't sound all as up and up as it seemed to be that he was just moving on to another team and there was no problems. I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. How well do you think he's going to do on the Kawasaki? Switching teams, mechanics, different bike with an electric start now. Maybe that's a little bit of a positive, but comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.